Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The program for today is reverse a string retaining space position. For example, hi, hello. In this, the first string contains hi space hello. We have to reverse the whole string, but the space position should be same. For example, here two characters means two character O L. Then space will be retained the same. Then it starts with L, E, H, I, H. Here five characters, so five character. Let's begin with our program. As usual, we get input from a string. Hi, hello. After that, we declare a char array. S1 dot to char array. This method which will convert this whole string to character array. How it will store means C1 of 0 H C1 of 1 I C2 of 0 C1 of 2 space C1 of 3 H C1 of 4 E C1 of 5 L. Likewise, it will store. After that, we declare here empty array characters C2 equal to new char of length the C1 array length duplicate array. It will by default it store 0 to all the value. Its length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Its length is 8. Then begin with the for loop. It starts with 0 of length 8 I plus plus. If character array where it will contain space, it shows the character to array that space. For example, for I equal to 0 H, it will not space. So it go to next E, sorry, I is not also a space. So it will go for next character. Here, 0, 1, 2 is space. So C1 of 2 is space. So it will store C2 of 2 equal to space. Then it will go to H not space E not space L not space L not space O not space. There is only one space in the program, that is the second position. So after that loop execution, the C2 array will become C2 of 0 is by default it will contain 0, C2 of 1 C2 of 1 is 0, C2 of 2 is space, C2 of 3 0, C2 of 4 0, C2 of 5 0, C2 of 6 0, C2 of 7 0. That's all. The character to array will show this. Only the second index will contain space value. After that, we show j is equal to C2 dot length C2 dot length is 8. So J is equal to 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Y means the string position start with 0. So 0 to 7, the 8 characters. So we put minus 1. After that, we again iterating a for loop of character 1 length 8, 0 to 7, the loop will run. If C1 of I not equal to space, that means C1 of I for C1 of 0 is not equal to space condition satisfy its page. What will do means J minus minus. 7 will become here sits. Sorry. C1 of I not equal to space H is equal to, if C2 of J is equal to space, C2 of J is 7. C2 of 7 is equal to 0. So it will not go for this if loop. Here it will consider C2 of 7 equal to C1 of I. C1 of 0 what? C1 of 0 is H. So C1 of 0 equal to H. So in C2 of 7, C2 of 7 will become H. Okay. Then it will decrease J. J become 6. After that, it go for when I is equal to 1, C1 of 1 is not equal, C1 of 1 is not equal to space. So satisfy. C2 of J is equal to space. C2 of 6 is equal to 0. So it will not satisfy. It will come here. C2 of 6 equal to C1 of 1, which is E. So C2 of 6 is equal to E. Now it will get decremented 5. After that, now I is equal to 2. C1 of 2 is equal to space. But here C1 of 2 is not equal to space. So it will not work. It will not satisfy the condition. So I will get incremented C2 of 3. Sorry, C1 of 3 is equal to H. So C1 of H, then C2 of 5 is equal to 0. So it will come here. Now C2 of 5, C1 of 3. C1 of 3 is H. C2 of 5, H. Now J will get decremented 4. Shall we change the 0 will become H. C2 of 6 become E. Sorry, I. Then after that iteration, it will become H. J will decrement to 4. Now I is equal to 4. It's he. E is not equal to space. C2 of 4 is not equal to space. So again it will come C2 of 4, C1 of 4. C1 of 4 is E. So it will become E. C2 of 4 will become E. J will decremented to 3. C2 of 4 will change to E. After that, C1 of 5 is L, condition satisfied. C2 of 3 is 0, so it's come here. Now C2 of 3, C1 of 5 is equal to L. C2 of 3 is L. So it will change to L. J decrement to 2. After that, now I is 6. C1 of 6 equal to L. C1 of 7 equal to O. Now it's also not equal to space. Then C1 of 2. C1 of 2, sorry, C2 of 2 is equal to space. For that, it will decrement J. Now J become 1. Now C2 of 1. C2 of 1 equal to C1 of 6. C1 of 6, which is L. C2 of 1 is L. Now C2 of 1 is L. Then J decrement to 1. C1 of 7. C1 of 7 is not equal to C1 of 7 is not equal to space, condition satisfied. C2 of 1, sorry, it will decrement to 0. C2 of 0 is not equal to space, so it will come here. Now C2 of 0, which is C1 of 7, it's O. C2 of 0 will become C2 of 0 will become O. J decremented to -1. So it will become O. Now compare the string 1, character array 1 and character array 2. Here HI space HELLO. Now it will get reverse. It is O O L O L. Here that the 0 1 second position is space, so the second position is space. Then L LEHIH. LEHIH. Now the character 2 will be the character 2 array will be the reverse the string with retaining position. For that, the character array will converted into string and we will print string dot value of method which will convert character array 2 to string value. So the resultant output will be OLLEHIH. Shall we run the program? the string will get reversed by retaining space position. That's all for today. The program solution I will leave in the description. Kindly check it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.